Hi my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to recover deleted files on Windows computer. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Initial step, you need to check the recycle bin. Is there any file you keep that here? Just double tap on it. You can see these are the files in recycle bin. You can check your deleted file is in there, and if it is here, you can just select this one and tap on this three dots icon and tap on restore the selected items. Then it will be restore the icon to the default location. Otherwise you can just simply drag and drop into the desktop or something. So as a next step, we can use file history option in the Windows. To do that, first you need to go to search bar here and search for control panel. This is the control panel. Just tap on it and make sure the view by is set as category, and then tap on system and security. In here you can tap on file history option. Okay, you can see my system file history is turned off. So if you're in your case, if it is turned on, you can recover the deleted file from here, and you can just tap on restore personal files, and you will be able to restore the files from here. In my case it is turned off, so I can't find that files from here. And you can just select the drive for the extract the deleted files and so on. So yeah, this is method number 2. And the third step is use data recovery software. To do that, you can go to your browser here. You can use any browser. So then after, you can choose multiple solutions, and like you can use disk drill. This is a disk drill data recovery software, and it is a free software. You can download this from this website, and you can install it in your computer. Then after, you can recover the files. From there you can use the YouTube video for how to recover the data from that file, like this video. So next method is restore from backup. So if your computer has backup, so you can restore the files from there. And if you backup in the external drive, so you need to plug that external drive into your computer, and you need to start the backup process. And the next method is Windows file recovery. So to do that, first you need to go to Microsoft Store here, wait for the open, then go to search bar, search for Windows file recovery. Yeah, this is the option. Just tap on it. Okay, you can see the first option. Just tap on that application and tap on get. Now it is going to download and install on your computer. Wait for the completion. Okay, now it is downloaded complete. It is around 1 MB. So then after, you need to open that one. Tap on yes. Okay, it will open as a command prompt in your computer. Alright, now you need to type this command. This is the command you need to type, but this should be replaceable. That means first one is same as all one. WinFR space source drive should be your source drive of the data recover. Like example, as I'm going to change this as C drive. You need to delete this one and type C. So this will be C drive of the source drive, and you need to select the change the destination drive also. That means your recovered file where should be stored. Like in my case, I like to store it in the D drive, and this should be same as this one, and file name should be changed as your actual file name. Like uh, if it is name as report.docs, you can type that one, and you need to hit enter. Then it will be guide you through how to recover that file. Okay, because this error is happened, I didn't have that kind of docs file on my C drive, so that is why this error is happened. In your case, you will be able to guidance for retrieve that application. So that is method number 5. And the last method is restore to previous versions. To do that, think about you have some files in some kind of folder, and accidentally you deleted some file of that folder, and you need to recover those files. So in that kind of situation, you need to go to that folder. Just go to folder. I think that is in the compress folder. Then you need to right click on it and go to properties, and you can see there is option called previous versions. Then tap on it, and you can see in my case there is no previous version available, but in your case, if you back up the in your case sometime you have previous folder version, so then you can select that one, and you can restore that previous version to this version. So these are the method you can use for recover the deleted files. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.